welcome to Channel Auto Road Reviews. Today, we're excited to bring you a detailed review of the all-new Bajaj Auto Rickshaw Electric, a game-changer in the world of electric three-wheelers. Let's dive into its exterior, performance, and pricing to see what makes it stand out in this growing segment. Starting with the exterior, the Rickshaw Electric showcases a modern, futuristic design that's both practical and stylish. The sleek body panels and bold front fascia give it a premium look, while maintaining the robust build quality Bajaj is known for. The large windshield provides excellent visibility for the driver, while the LED headlights and indicators ensure you're visible on the road, even in low light conditions. The vibrant color options and clean lines add to the overall appeal, making it a head-turner in the electric auto rickshaw segment. Now, moving to performance, this is where Bajaj has really stepped up the game. The Rickshaw Electric is powered by a high-efficiency electric motor that delivers smooth acceleration and consistent performance, whether you're navigating busy city streets or carrying a full load of passengers. The motor is paired with a durable battery pack that offers an impressive range on a single charge. You can expect anywhere from 100 to 120 kilometers of range, depending on your driving style and conditions. Plus, the vehicle is designed to be low maintenance, reducing overall operating costs. One of the key highlights is its fast charging capability. With the right setup, the Rickshaw Electric can be charged to 80% in just a couple of hours, making it ideal for drivers who need to be back on the road quickly. The smooth suspension system ensures a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers, while the spacious cabin provides ample legroom and headroom. When it comes to pricing, Bajaj has positioned the Rickshaw Electric competitively in the market. Depending on the region and government subsidies, you can expect it to be priced between 1 Indian rupee and 50 lakh to 2 lakh, making it an affordable option for those looking to switch to electric without breaking the bank. Overall, the Bajaj Auto Rickshaw Electric is a practical, eco-friendly solution for urban transport. With its attractive design, impressive performance, and affordable pricing, it's a great step forward in the electric mobility revolution. Don't forget to subscribe to Channel Auto Road Reviews for more updates on the latest in the automotive world.